Hey guys, Adrienne Green here, and today I am reaching out to share with you this really exciting opportunity that I am working on right now that is going to help you as investor buyers find places to buy here in Chattanooga. So this is going out to my Chattanooga Deals newsletter I send out every Thursday, and you guys are hearing about this first. If you're watching the video on YouTube later and you're not on my Chattanooga Deals newsletter yet, use the contact information below and reach out to me so I can get you on this Deals newsletter. Now, let me tell you about this exciting opportunity that we are getting into place. It is the opportunity to have wholesale off-market opportunities to buy here on this Deals newsletter first every week. So I have a wholesaler that I'm working with who wants to bring these wholesale opportunities to this list first before they advertise it to the general public, because you as buyers work with me. They know that I have vetted you as a serious buyer, and that if they go into a deal with you, that you are very likely to close because you are a serious buyer who wants to buy and make money in the Chattanooga real estate market. So that's what we are working to establish on this Deals newsletter every week, presenting some wholesale deals to you before they go out to the general public. Now let's talk about what it means to buy something wholesale, because there are going to be a few differences versus buying something on the MLS, and I want you to be aware of what it's like so that we can all be set up for success and have a win-win. First, traditionally you may think of wholesale deals as cash or hard money only because they need to close really quick. This wholesaler is working to set up their wholesale contracts going forward so that you do have time for a 30-day closing with a lender. Now, there will probably be a requirement that you work with a lender that the wholesaler and I know can close in 30 days and can close on properties like this without appraisal issues. So just be aware that there may be some choice or preferred lenders, and you might have to work with one of those if you want to have lending or mortgage on this property. But hey guys, it's an opportunity to buy a wholesale deal with a mortgage. How often do you see that? I don't see it ever. So this is a really, really cool opportunity that we are getting here. Now, one extra thing with that I'll mention is that, a mortgage lender can only lend on something that is livable. So if you are looking to buy something that's like a fix and flip, like not livable, like, sometimes I've got clients looking at condemned houses, burned houses, things like that. Those will still be cash only. We're not saying that everything on this wholesale list will be something that can be financed, but it will be an option for the properties that are in livable condition, okay? And so we're making that happen. It's super exciting. Stay tuned. And then I wanted to talk about some of the other things that when you're buying a wholesale property is, first off, it's going to be an as-is condition. It is going to be sight unseen. Part of the reason that wholesalers get a good deal is because they tell the owner that this is going to be easier than going on the MLS. So we can't get in there and hassle whoever's living in there, and there's no home inspection. That's, part of the as-is condition. So this wholesaler does have photos and notes on the condition of that property, and I can share with you resources about the area and things like that, but we are not going to be able to get into this house. We are not going to be able to do an inspection. You are not going to have an inspection contingency where you can, have the home inspector go in, see it, and you're like, oh, I don't like that, I'm out. None of that happens. You are committing to this purchase when you work through it. There will be one walkthrough allowed, and that allows us to get that appraiser in that needs to get in there for the mortgage loan. Now, I am willing to work with that appraiser schedule, so whenever the appraiser gets out there, I will be there as well, so we can get more photos, more videos, and I can be there as your representative to be a set of eyes on that property and let you know anything that's going on with it, okay? So that's kind of how it would work in purchasing these wholesale options that are coming up. So get excited. Working with the wholesaler, and we're going to get these to you as quickly as we can. If you know anybody else who's looking to potentially buy in the Chattanooga area, have them connect with me so they can get on this Deals newsletter. And yeah, just keep an eye out. We're going to start having those go forward. And if you have other questions that I should address in a future video to kind of outline the process more, please let me know. We want to make it as easy as possible for you to invest in Chattanooga real estate and build wealth through that real estate investment. That is my goal. And I'm hoping that that's what I'm doing with my clients right now. So thanks so much for your time, guys. Adrienne Green here. Thank you. And I'll keep you posted on these deals.